Hello people, Anubhav this side, and in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use the circle command. After watching this tutorial you will definitely master the circle command, and you can use the circle command in your various architectural or structural drawings. Okay, so let's begin your AutoCAD program. In order to activate this command, you can just simply type in C and hit enter. It will turn on the circle command. Or if you don't like to use the keyboard command, you can just simply hover over your cursor to this home ribbon, and from here you can click on the circle. Okay, just choose any option from here. In this video, I'm going to teach you each and every option under this circle ribbon, and you can also select these options from your keyboard. What I personally like is to select these options from the keyboard, but firstly, I will teach you how to use this option from this ribbon menu. Okay, so our very first option is center and radius. Okay, after choosing this option, it will always ask you to give the center point. Okay, so if I used to give the coordinate as 0 and 0, then obviously the center point will be at this point. Okay, now as I told you that my grid is of 5 meter in x direction and 5 meter in y direction. You can see it over here as well. Okay, it is my grid spacing is in x direction it's 5 meter, and in y spacing is 5 meter. Okay, that means the coordinate for this point is 25, 25. 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 25, and also 1 2 3 4 5 5 25. Okay, so if I go and choose center and radius, and maybe if I want to start from the coordinate, I just give the 25 tab 25 and hit enter. Okay, now as you can see that it has chosen that 25 comma 25 as the center point. You can literally give any coordinate, okay, wherever you want to start drawing your circle. Now it is asking me about the radius. For instance, if I want to draw a circle that is of radius 5 meter, I just need to type in 5 over here and hit enter. Now this is the circle which is of radius 5 meters. Okay, now for instance, if you want to draw something with the help of diameter, then you need to just click on this circle ribbon again and just choose the second option, that is center and diameter. Now I'll give this the coordinate or something like 50 tab 25 and hit enter. Okay, and I give it the diameter. For instance, here the radius, the radius was 5 and the diameter was 10. Here I directly specify the diameter. I just type in 10 and hit enter. Okay, by this way you can also create the circle, but with providing the diameter. Now let's check some other command. Now the other command is the 2 point. Okay, for instance, I have a rectangle and I want my circle around this square box. So what I do, just delete this. I'll show you how to make a square box or any box. Just type in REC and hit enter. Okay, choose any point whichever you like. Okay, and give it some dimension, maybe 10 in the x direction and 10 in the y direction. Okay, now if I choose the 2 point, okay, then I need to specify the 2 point. I'll choose this is my first point and this is my second point, and now you can see that there's a circle that is surrounding my square. Okay, but what if I want my circle to be inside this square? Okay, just go to the circle ribbon, choose the 2 point again, and now this time you need to choose the center of this box. Okay, this is the midpoint over here, and just choose another midpoint. This is the another midpoint, and by this way you can create a circle that is inside the box. This is the way we use the 2 point. Now for the 3 point, if I choose this 3 point, And again, if I want to create a circle that is outside this box, I will select 3 point, maybe this, this, or this, and it will again create a circle that is surrounding this square. Uh, the same logic applies with the inner circle. Just go and select your 3 point and choose three midpoint of this line. Okay, the first one will be this, your second one might be this, and this is your third one. Or you can go for this as well. It doesn't matter, you just need to give it three midpoints. Okay, now you can see that you can create an outer circle and an inner circle with this command. Okay, just delete these circles. Now there are two more command left, that is tan, comma radius. Okay, for instance, let's assume that it is a beam. Let's draw a beam. Now give it the command rec. Just click anywhere. A beam is literally 2.0.23. It's 230 mm or 9-inch wide. Okay, and the depth that I really like to give it something about like 450 mm. Hit enter. Okay, now this is your beam. Okay, uh, mm, now if I want to give it some cover, okay, I'll just give some cover to this thing. Okay. Now suppose if I want to place some rebar at the corner of this beam, then I can either draw the circle first, then copy it and paste it. For example, I just go to this command, I just choose the diameter, create a circle with the diameter, I think 60 mm will be good, and hit enter. Okay, and the other thing that I can do is just select this, copy, and paste it somewhere like this. This is the one way of uh, putting the reinforcement in this beam. The other way is to just simply hover over your this circle ribbon and just choose the tan radius. Firstly, give it the two line between which you want to create the circle. Okay, this is my first line, this is my second line. Now what about the radius of the circle? Okay, the radius for the circle will be, if I want to create a 16 mm dia bar, I need to give a radius of 8 mm, which is 0.008 in my case, and hit enter. Now you can see that without any problem and without any copy and pasting thing, I have created a circle which is very nice and very clean. Okay, now I can do the same with this other corners as well. Tan radius, my first side, my second side, the radius has been already set, hit enter. Circle command, tan radius, first side, second side, hit enter. Tan radius, first side, second side, hit enter. Now you can see that it becomes really very easy to create circles at the corners. Okay, and it also helps us to save lots of time. Instead of creating one circle and copying and pasting it to one point then another point, it's much better to just simply select this option and just choose two line and hit enter by giving the radius. Okay, the third and the last option over here is the tan. Okay, for instance, I have one line over here, maybe any line. Okay, I just need to extend it line something like this. Okay, I don't have this circle. Now if I want to create a circle between these three lines, 1 2 and 3, I just simply go to the option tan. This is my first tan, second tan, and the third tan, and it will create a circle enclosing these three lines. You can just simply choose this option, like this is my line command. Okay, it may be something like mm, it may be 5 meters in length. Okay. I don't think it's a straight line. Just delete it. Okay, just give it a line command. uh, Turn on my ortho. It's a 5 meter line. Okay. uh, just hit L, enter, and shift and right click and choose midpoint. This might be something like this is also 5 meters. Okay, now hit L, enter, like something like this. Let's see what this command does to this triangle. Okay, now again choose tan, tan, tan. Okay, this is my first side, my second side, and my third side. Now as you can see, it has created a circle that has been enclosed by these three lines. Okay, so I guess this is the best way to use this circle command. Most of the people don't think about exploring these commands. In AutoCAD, it's really very easy to draw. You really, for example, in this beam, you really do not need to create a circle over here and then just copy and paste for uh, the representation. You just simply use this tan, tan, and radius option, or this tan, tan, tan option. Now, if you want to select these options from the keyboard only, just type in C, that is circle, enter, and now you can see that it is asking you for the three options, that is 3 point, 2 point, and 10, 10 radius. Okay, so if I enter 3P over here and hit enter, then it is obviously asking me for a 3 point. Now I will give it some 3 points, 1, 2, and this is my third point. Okay, or if I want to draw a inner circle, then I will go to the C, enter, my 3P, 3P, enter, choose the midpoint. One midpoint is this, another midpoint is this, and another midpoint is this. But since it is not possible to create a perfect circle inside this rectangle, so it has uh, gotten out of this rectangle. But you got the gist. Okay, the 3 points that I have chosen, this is one midpoint, second midpoint, third midpoint. The circle is touching all those three midpoints. Okay, just delete this and delete this. If I choose the two midpoint option, if I want to choose the 2 point option, then again I need to enter C, enter, just type in 2P, hit enter, and now I need to provide it 2 point, my first point and my second point. Okay, delete this. Again C, enter. Now if I want to use this TTR command, okay, that's a tan, tan, and radius command in order to create this reinforcement, then I just need to type C, enter. Now type in TTR, enter. Now I specify my first point, my second point, and I'll give it the radius as 0.008 in order to create a 16 mm diabar, and hit enter. So guys, as you can see, it's very easy to use the circle command in the AutoCAD, and after watching this video, I know that you will definitely go and practice this command at your laptop as well. And this is the best way to use this command, and I guarantee you no other will teach you the command the way I teach. Okay, so kindly do subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and your colleagues in order to get informed, and please do hit that bell icon if you want to get notified at the very first instance. Okay guys, take care and keep rocking. Bye bye.